What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable tip on your website on Wix. To enable tip, scroll down on the left hand side and you will find settings. Under the settings section here, scroll down to business solution and click on where it says booking settings. Under the booking settings, scroll down a bit and you will find under online booking client booking flow. Once you are under the client booking flow, scroll down and you will find a section for tips, right? So you will scroll all the way down to the checkout settings, and here you can see tips. Click and activate, and you will need to add this to your site. So click and add to site, and you will see right away that it gives you another pop-up where it's adding it to the site, and you will see that it reloads. And once again, once you scroll all the way down, you can see that it is enabled and you can manage tips from here as well. But ensure that you click on save once you're done. And that's it, guys. As I mentioned, you can scroll all the way down after you save it, and you will be able to basically click on tips and you can basically go into where it is and you can just check more stuff right here for tips. As you can see, you can manage the tips right here. You can set percentage or a specific amount if you want, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Once you're done, click on save, and that's it, guys.